Sex, Drugs, Disasters, and the Extinction of Dinosaurs, Method and Structure by Team Umizoomi. Hi, I'm McKenna.
Hi, I'm Annalie.
I'm Grace.
I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Sarah.
So the first question is, how does the process analysis in paragraphs 4 and 5, 9 to 12, 14 and 16 help Gould analyze the possible causes of dinosaur extinction? What would the essay lack without these paragraphs? Firstly, process analysis is a step-by-step explanation of how to do something or how something is done. It can be informative or directive.
Here's a video furthering what process analysis is.
In paragraphs 4 and 5, Gould explains how hypotheses are formed, tested, and accepted or rejected. He says that good science starts with a testable hypothesis, not with useless speculation. These paragraphs provide background information so the reader understands better when Gould explains why the sex and drug theories are flawed.
In paragraphs 9 through 12, they explain Gould's sex theory of the extinction of dinosaurs. A study of alligators is explained to back up that theory that the change in temperature of the dinosaurs' environment impacted their ability to reproduce, resulting in their extinction. First, Gould describes that alligators and their cold-blooded surface area are similar to that of dinosaurs. Next, he explains the experiment by Colbert, Coles, and Bargart about the alligators. And finally, is the conclusion that the experiment relates to the extinction of dinosaurs and that theory.
In paragraph 14, Gould talks about the drugs theory, and he explains how the theory that the dinosaurs overdosed on psychoactive plants could be possible. This paragraph shows the strengths in the overdose theory before later allowing Gould to explain the flaws in that theory.
And in paragraph 16, Gould talks about his third part of his extinction theory, disaster. He organizes this hypothesis using a causal chain, one event resulting in the next. By explaining step by step how a natural disaster contributed to dinosaur extinction, the reader is able to understand this theory better. Without these paragraphs describing the theories of dinosaur extinction, the essay would lack organization and clarity. Also, later in his essay, Gould analyzes these theories and their credibility. By providing paragraphs 4 and 5, 9 to 12, 14, and 16, he introduces information to his reader that he will later refer to in his essay. On the next slide, Rebecca will illustrate the causal chain found in paragraph 16.
When Gould is explaining the Alvarez hypothesis about the cause of the dinosaurs' extinction, Gould outlines a causal chain in paragraph 16. The root cause is explained by the dust cloud, and the underlying cause is what would darken the earth where photosynthesis would bring temperatures down, and the immediate cause is the single-celled photosynthesis oceanic plank that would perish that he explains, and then the impacts this has is that the dinosaurs would then die from starvation and freezing.
Review questions. So we're going to start with what are two types of process analysis? And those are informative and directive. True or false? Paragraph 16's purpose is organization, clarity, and to introduce information. This is true. All the paragraphs, including paragraph 16's purpose, are to use organization, clarity, and to introduce information to the reader. What type of causes are in the graph? So you will see a root cause, underlying cause, and an immediate cause. Those lead to the impacts.
Here's our bibliography, and thank you for watching.